but that doesn't mean that you shouldn't keep your keto diet going. Today, we brought 3 easy-to-make keto Halloween treat recipes that you and the kids can both enjoy and stay healthy. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so that you won't miss our keto diet and weight loss content. 1. Low-carb pumpkin cheesecake mousse, servings, 12, net carb, 4 grams. Ingredients: 16 ounces cream cheese room temp, 15-ounce canned pumpkin nut pumpkin pie filling. 2 cups heavy cream, 1/4 of a teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons pumpkin pie spice or use cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, cloves. 1 to 2 teaspoons pumpkin spice liquid stevia or vanilla stevia to taste, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: in a KitchenAid or stand mixer blend cream cheese and pumpkin until smooth. Add the rest of the ingredients and blend until whipped and fluffy about 5 minutes. Taste and adjust sweetener to your liking if needed. Pipe into serving glasses. Best if chilled about an hour to set and thicken, but still fantastic to enjoy immediately. Keep refrigerated until ready to serve. 2. Low-carb ghost cupcakes, servings, 6, net carb, 5 grams. Ingredients: 3 eggs, ½ cup unsweetened cocoa powder, ½ cup almond flour, 1/4 cup butter, melted and cooled. 1/4 cup low-carb sweetener, half a teaspoon baking powder, pinch salt. For the frosting, 4 ounces cream cheese, softened, ½ cup butter, 2 tablespoons low-carb confectioner's sweetener. ½ a teaspoon vanilla extract, 18 low-carb chocolate chips to decorate. Instructions: preheat the oven to 350 F. Beat the eggs together in a stand mixer until well mixed. Add in the unsweetened cocoa powder, almond flour, melted butter, sweetener, baking powder, and salt. Beat until a smooth batter has formed. Transfer the mixture into a 6-hole muffin pan lined with paper liners or silicone liners. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes or until the center is cooked. Allow the cupcakes to cool. Make the frosting by beating softened cream cheese and butter together. Add in vanilla extract and confectioner's sweetener, then beat again until smooth. Spoon the mixture into a piping bag and pipe it onto the cupcakes, making sure to end in a top point to form the top of the ghost. Use low-carb chocolate chips to make the eyes and mouth on the frosting. Store in the fridge until required. 3. Keto peppermint patties, servings, 6, net carbs, 1 gram. Ingredients: ½ cup coconut oil, solid, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, divided, 1 tablespoon peppermint extract. 1 tablespoon heavy cream, 2 tablespoons powdered erythritol, divided, 4 ounces baker's chocolate, 6 tablespoons unsalted butter. Instructions: over low heat in a small saucepan or in the microwave, melt coconut oil. Then add vanilla extract, peppermint extract, heavy cream, and 1 tablespoon erythritol and whisk until smooth. Place silicone candy mold on top of a small metal baking sheet that will fit in your freezer. Pour ½ a tablespoon of the liquid into 12 molds, then freeze on top of the baking sheet for at least 20 minutes. On the stove, or in the microwave, melt the chocolate, then add butter until both chocolate and butter melt completely. Slowly pour 1 tablespoon erythritol in, whisking as you go to keep it smooth, then add remaining vanilla and stir. It should be completely smooth. Remove mold and baking sheet from freezer. Place parchment paper on the chilled baking sheet, and using a spoon, create 12 1-thin chocolate circles that will serve as the bottom of your peppermint patties. Top with the coconut mint fillings, then drizzle chocolate over the tops to finish off your candies. Refreeze quickly to harden, then store in the refrigerator. With the recipes we have given you today, you will be able to sustain a stable keto diet even during Halloween. Thank you for watching our video. Be sure to subscribe for more keto diet and weight loss content.